No bond for the Maryland mother accused of trying to kill her own daughter. The suspect, Talika Brown, will stay in jail. And today, new evidence suggests she tried to manipulate what her daughter told authorities. Lili Zheng's on the story tonight. She's standing by live with those details. Lili?
Hey, Jim, good evening to you. Prosecutors are pointing to a voicemail that was turned over to their office before today's hearing, just hours beforehand. In that voicemail, we are told that the suspect sent it to the child's father, essentially saying that if their child does not make a statement, doesn't show up in court, that all this will, quote, go away.
That was concerning to the state because obviously with her being 13 years old, she's very impressionable. And that's our concern, is that it's her mother. She's going to listen to her mother. And so we don't want her to be tainted in any way by the pressure.
Ashley Souls is an assistant state's attorney for Prince George's County. She presented the case before a judge today, arguing that Talika Brown was a danger to the community and should not be released on bond. Brown is accused of shooting her 13-year-old daughter in the neck on Monday. This was after authorities say an argument turned physical in their Seat Pleasant home. Charging documents say Brown initially told her daughter to claim that she was shot by someone who broke into the home. The 13-year-old, according to prosecutors, remains in the hospital today. She requires a chest tube right now, with doctors at one point fearing that paralysis was a possibility.
And while no one thinks that a mother would shoot her very own daughter, no one could conceive of that. These incidents do happen, and they happen for a variety of reasons. But our goal is to prevent these incidents from becoming tragedies, to begin to address those underlying issues that lead to this type of violence.
Now, in court today, a defense attorney for Brown tried to make the argument that, in his opinion, home detention would be more appropriate in this case. He says that Brown has no violent criminal history, also adding that in this case, the victim could stay with her father. The judge, of course, in this case did side with the state. Guys?